Well, I think the Carolina wrens building their nest here has killed this one basil plant. But that is not the only basil plant I have. So I have a few different varieties. This one is a lime basil. The one down here is an Italian sweet basil. This one's Thai basil. And then this one over here is also Italian sweet basil. The other ones I started from seed, except for the Italian sweet basil. This was originally a tiny potted plant from Lidl, and both this one and the other one with the nest in it now came from the same little pot. So it's actually not a horrible loss.